Emma's at the vet. Emma's at the vet. She's at the vet for her little issue here. We were at the vet before for it. This is the follow-up. She's regained a lot of her feathers. She essentially had a very bad period and ripped out her hair, which relatable. She is most likely not gonna be able to lay eggs anymore because that's what stresses her out. But this is my bird. And she's a sassy little baby. She's being very good right now. Yeah, you're being very good. Being very good. I'd take you out if I could. Yeah. My doctor is a male and she hates guys. So, I don't want her to attack him. But this is Emma. She's at the vet. She's at the vet. She's being a very good girl. We just got here. They gave us a room very quickly. We're early, so might be a bit. But it's Emma at the vet. Emma at the vet. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wish her luck.